All right, this video is for the lesson 3.3 page. We are doing the same thing we did yesterday. We're writing equations from graphs. So, the top page you can pop off. It won't mess anything up, but that way you don't have to flip back and forth. Okay, so today we can actually see the graphs and what's going on. So for each graph, we need a slope and we need a y-intercept. So we're still doing slope-intercept form. So find you 2 points from here to here. Or you could go from here to here. Or you could go from here to here. It does not matter which points you pick. Okay? So from here to here, my first move, does it need to be up or down? Down. So I'm going to go down and over. And I'm going to go down. I can count the boxes now. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I go down, it's a -4. And then I go over 1. Simplify your fractions. Type your fractions in. Oh. Okay. Make sure. So my slope is -4. My y-intercept is where the line crosses the y-axis. So when it's not numbered like this, start at the origin. My cross is up here. Here's where it's crossing. So I'm going to count up. 1, 2. If I go up, it's a +2. So my equation is going to be y equals m is, that should be a -4. -4, tack on the x, y-intercept is +2. So I'm looking for -4x plus 2. That's right here. It's G3. So next to A, I'm going to write G3. And then once you use it, it's done. You're not going to use it again. All right, same thing. Any 2 points. So from here to here, I need to go up and then to the right. Again, that second move has to be to the right. So I'm going up 4 over 1. That's going to simplify to just a 4. This one, it's y-intercept. If I start at the origin, I have to go down 1, 2. So if I have to go down, it's a -2. So y equals, slope comes first, then the y-intercept. Since it's -2, I write -2. So if it's positive, plus the number. If it's negative, minus the number. So 4x minus 2 is G2. Going to write G2 there. All right, on C, any 2 points, it doesn't matter. So from here to here, I've got to go up and then over. So I'm going up 4 over 1. So my slope is 4 again. Simplify it down. Y-intercept, where it crosses. Start at the origin. I'm going to go up 1, 2. So that's a +2. And then fill your pieces in. Slope comes first. Tack on the x. And then the y-intercept is 2. So that time I need 4x plus 2. It's real easy to get the wrong answer because it's all the same numbers. It's just different signs. So C is G1. So you can probably guess what D is going to be. So from here to here, I'm going to go down and over. I'm going down 4 over 1. So that's a -4. Y-intercept, if I start at the origin, I'm going down 1, 2. So that's a -2. So y equals, slope comes first, so -4. Tack on the x, and then the y-intercept. And that one is G4. All right, we are going to skip to box I. So skip the back of this page, go to the front of the second page. Same process. This is literally drill and kill day. All right, from here to here, I've got to go down and then to the right. So I'm going down 1, so -1, over 1, 2, 3, 4, and that one won't simplify. My y-intercept, start at the origin, I'm going up 2. So y equals, slope comes first, tack on the x, and then the y-intercept. So I, it's -1/4 x plus 2. I know it looks weird. It's G11. So I, make sure you're on I. G11. All right, J. So from here to here, I've got to go down and then over. Make sure you're going all the way over. I have some that kind of stop a little bit before. Connect those points. So we're going down 1, over 1, 2, 3, 4. Y-intercept. So if I start at the origin, going down 1, 2, so -2. Slope comes first, tack on the x, then the y-intercept. So that one is G12. Okay. Again, any 2 points, it does not matter. Just make sure you're simplifying your fractions. So from here to here, I've got to go up and then to the right. So I'm going up 1, over 4, y-intercept, start at the origin, up 1, 2, so 2, slope comes first, tack on the x, then the y-intercept. So 1/4 x plus 2, that's G9. Again, bet you can guess what L's going to be. From here to here, got to go up and then over. I went up 1, over 4. Y-intercept is right here, so I'm going down 1, 2. So that's a -2. Slope comes first, tack on the x, then the y-intercept. So that's G10. So you're going to do E through H, and then you're going to do M through R. Those are yours. Let's go to S. These are our special cases. So this is the new piece that we're adding on today. Okay. Vertical lines always start with x equals. Always. If they're straight up and down like this, so all of these are going to start with x equals on this page. All you do is find the x value. So if I start at the origin, this is the direction I'm going. So I have to go left. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I go left, it's a negative. So it's a -4. If I start at the origin and I have to go right, go this direction, it's going to be positive. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just think about what these labels would be. So if it starts with x equals, what that x value would be. So S is G22. T is G24. And then we're going to go to U. So go to the next page. If it's a nice, pretty horizontal line, These always start with y equals. And this is just one of those rules that you kind of have to remember. One way you can remember it is the y is always going to be the same number. If the y is always the same number, then it starts with y equals. If the x is always the same number, then it's x equals. Same process, we're just going a different direction. So we're starting at the origin, but this time we're going down. So if I go down 2, it's a -2. If I go up 2, it's a +2. And those horizontal and verticals are always y equals a number or x equals a number, and that's it. So U is G19, V is G17. And so W and X are going to be the last two that you do. And that is your assignment for the day.